Object properties. When placing new objects, you should always have 3 properties in focus in order to work efficiently and avoid problems in later planning phases. Navigate to the object's properties in the dynamic menu, and let's start with the first, the name. The name should be unique. This is particularly important for equipment lists and material flow connections. A layout is used for communication, so label the objects in such a way that others also understand which objects are meant. It is helpful to express the function of the object in the name. Here's where you'll also adjust the label visibility, alignment, and text size. Secondly, let's look at the object layer. The term layers is used for logic layers in the layout model, which can be assigned objects. A layer can be used to manage both the visibility and lock of several layers at the same time. Using layers is very important for efficient layout planning. There is a separate video for this. In the object properties, you can create a new layer or select an existing one. Thirdly, you should pay attention to the type of area. If you want to use the area balance function, you must set a suitable area type for each object. There is a separate video on the area balance function, which you should watch. There are other attributes, but these 3 are the most important for the beginning. So make a habit of it. Name the object clearly, assign it to a layer, and define the area type. 30 seconds now prevents hours of cleanup later.